All right, question 1 and 2 are listening questions. Actually, question 1 is, and then question 2 will relate to question 1. I'm going to say 5 sentences or questions twice in Spanish. I want you for question 1 to write the Spanish sentence or question. And then on question 2, you will translate number 1 on line 1, translate sentence number 2 on line 2, etc., etc. All right, number 1. Yo no estudio. Yo no estudio español. Español. So write that word for word in Spanish, making sure everything is spelled correctly, accents, tildes, capitalize the first letter, put a period at the end if it's a sentence, or of course the question marks if it's a question. Number 2, pintas tú a la escuela? ¿Pintas tú a la escuela? Number 3, ella llama su papá. Su papá. Number 4, usted limpia los pupitres. Los pupitres. And number 5, hay unas sillas. Hay unas sillas en el hospital. En el hospital. All right, so for question 1, you're writing all 5 of those sentences or questions in Spanish, spelling everything correctly. For question number 2, you are going to translate those questions into English and give details for ambiguous people. So, we, you, they, teacher, student, those sorts of words that there's more than one word in Spanish, but only one word in English, you need to give those details. So translate question or sentence 1 on line 1, 2 on line 2, etc., etc.